What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some unusual but awesome cleaning tips and hacks with shaving cream. So be sure to watch all the way to the end so you can see what all I clean with shaving cream. So for the first one, what you want to do is put some shaving cream on a broom or brush, and this is an awesome way to clean your tub without breaking your back. I love this because it's so easy. Now, my tub is actually dirty because I wanted to keep it real with you guys. I hate watching videos where stuff is already clean and then you're like, how do I know that that actually works? So I made sure not to pre-clean my tub before this. Now, I must say my tub is pretty old. I live in an older apartment, and my mother-in-law actually stained the bottom of our tub with black hair dye. So I've had a little bit of difficulty getting that off. Other than that, though, this shaving cream works awesome on the tub, and the best part is that it smells great and you don't have to worry about any harsh, crazy chemicals. Once you have given your tub a good scrub, then you just want to go in with some water and rinse everything off. And then, ta-da, you will have a nice, clean smelling tub. Now, moving on to my other trick. Yes, you can use this directly in your toilet and on it. And once again, I am keeping it real with you guys. I did not pre-clean my toilet. As you can see, it is really nasty, but I just want to show you guys that this really works. Okay, now you're probably asking me, okay, Stephanie, why are you using shaving cream and how does that even work? Well, the reason is because two major ingredients in shaving cream is alcohol and soap. So alcohol is great for a disinfectant. So that's why you can use it to clean in your bathroom, and it's so awesome. And then it smells good. Now, I don't like to use reusable cloths in my bathroom. That may be a waste, but I don't know. I have to use paper towels so I can throw it away because something about it just kind of freaks me out when I wash it and use it again. Shaving cream also makes things nice and shiny. So as you can see, the porcelain of my toilet is looking really shiny, and I love that. Another awesome tip to do with this is you can also use it on the floor and at the bottom of your toilet where it gets all nasty and those urine stains can build up. And just keeping it real again, I did not pre-clean this, so it looks real nasty. But like I said, I just want to show you guys that this really does work. And again, like I've said before, it's so awesome because it smells so nice and it's not harsh. So you don't have to worry about like gagging on some harsh chemicals. Another awesome tip to use with this shaving cream is to clean your mirrors. You just want a little bit and a microfiber cloth and then clean your mirrors with it. But the coolest thing about this is not only is it going to clean your mirrors, it's going to stop them from fogging up when you take a shower. Now, I did an entirely separate video about this to test if that was real or fake, and it really does work. So I can put it up above so you guys can go check out that video as well. Another cool trick is if you guys have messy stains on your wall, the shaving cream will get it right up. And I believe this is actually blood. My poor daughter has a lot of bloody noses, and I think when she walks out of her room at night to take care of it, it just gets flung all over the wall. But as you can see, it's just wiping it right off, and it's so cool because it's disinfecting it as well. Bear with me, I'm trying to do this part one-handed, so it's a little difficult, but it's honestly just taking it off with ease. I didn't realize how dirty my door was and the wall right here, so I'm just giving all of it a good scrub. My last cleaning tip with the shaving cream is that you can shine and disinfect all your doorknobs. That's pretty cool. All right, that is all that I have for you guys in this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you're new to my channel. And if you do try any of these cleaning tricks, leave me some comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.